The following is an introduction to how to use Amber Hydrogen Beauty Spray. It must be charged first. This product takes 1.5 hours to fully charge. The light will flash quickly when the battery is low. It flashes slowly when charging. The current state is slow flashing. The battery is always on when fully charged. Please close the protective cover when charging is completed. Next, we will demonstrate how to operate it. The first step is to pull up the upper cover and open the water tank cover. In the second step, add pure water until it is about 8 minutes full. The third step is to close the upper cover and large box lid. The fourth step is to open the upper cover again and wait for 3 minutes to complete the production of hydrogen water. The fifth step is to gently touch the rose metal ring to use it. Please keep it upright when using it. The above is a demonstration of how to use the beauty instrument.